dead when I beneath a bit of earth shall lie. Think not that aught can ever kill my arrogant and stubborn will, my buoyant strength, my eager soul. My stern desire shall keep me whole, and lift me from the drowsy deep. I shall not even yield to sleep, for death can never take from me my warm, insatiate energy. He shall not dare to touch one part of the gay challenge of my heart. And I shall laugh at him and lie, happy beneath a laughing sky, for I have fought too joyously to let the conqueror conquer me. I know that after strengthening strife, death cannot quench my love of life. Rob me of my dear self, my ears, of music, or my eyes of tears. No, death shall come in friendlier guise, the cloth of darkness from my eyes. He shall roll back, and lo, the sea of silence shall not cover me. He shall make soft my final bed, stand like a servant at my head. And thrilled with all that death may give, I shall lie down to rest and live. And I shall know within the earth a softer but a deeper mirth. The wind shall never troll a song, but I shall hear it borne along, and echoed long before he passes by all the little unborn grasses. I shall be clasped by roots and reins, feeding and fed by living grains. There shall not be a single flower above my head but bears my power, and every butterfly or bee that taste the flower shall drink of me. Ah, we shall share a lip to lip, carousal and companionship. The storm, like some great blustering lout, shall play his games with me and shout his joy to all the countryside. Autumn, suntanned and April-eyed, shall scamper by and send his host of leaves like brown and merry ghost to frolic over me, and stones shall feel the dancing in their bones. And red-cheeked winter too shall be a jovial bedfellow for me, setting the startled hours ringing with boisterous tales and lusty singing. And like a mother that has smiled for years on every tired child, summer shall hold me in her lap, and when the root stirs and the sap climbs anxiously beyond the boughs, and all the friendly worms carouse, then, oh, how proudly we shall sing bravures for the feet of spring. And I shall lie forever there, like some great king, and watch the fair young spring dance on for me, and know that love and rosy valleys glow, where'er her blithe feet touch the earth, and headlong joy and reckless mirth, seeing her footsteps shall pursue. Oh, I shall watch her smile and strew laughter and life with either hand, and every quiver of the land shall pierce me while a joyful wave beats in upon my radiant grave. I, like a king in deathless state, I shall be throned and contemplate the dying of the years, the vast, vague panorama of the past, the march of centuries, the surge of ages. But the deathless urge shall stir me always, and my will shall laugh to keep me living still, thrilling with every call and cry, too much in love with life to die, content to touch the earth to hear the whisper of each waiting year, to help the stars go proudly by, to speed the timid grass and lie, sharing with every movement's breath the rich eternity of death. End of poem. This recording